Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figeroux Associates. For consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figeroux Associates, and your presenter with a special immigration report. Bronx immigration attorney sentenced to nearly 6 years in prison for $16 million fraud scheme. Bronx, NY. A Bronx-based immigration attorney was sentenced Wednesday, February 26, to 70 months in federal prison for his role in a large-scale immigration fraud scheme that defrauded his clients out of $16 million. Kofi Amankwaa, 70, was also ordered to pay restitution in the full amount of $16 million, along with an additional $13 million in penalties. The announcement was made by Matthew Podolsky, acting United States Attorney for the Southern District of New York. Amankwaa, who operated a law office in the Bronx, was found guilty of taking advantage of vulnerable immigrants, many of whom were seeking a better life in the United States. His actions not only caused significant financial harm to his clients, but also led to devastating consequences for their immigration status. People who immigrate to America are often vulnerable and simply trying to build better lives for themselves and their loved ones. New York Attorney General Letitia James stated in a press release following Amankwaa's sentencing, "When these immigrants sought help from attorneys claiming to act in their best interests, they were taken advantage of and harmed instead." According to federal investigators, Amankwaa's fraudulent scheme exploited the Violence Against Women Act, VAWA, which allows undocumented immigrants who are victims of abuse to apply for legal status. He falsely claimed that his clients were being abused by U.S. citizen children in order to make them eligible for the benefits provided under VAWA. However, Amankwaa never verified these allegations and, in many cases, did not even bother to ask his clients about their personal situations. Amankwaa's actions extended beyond fraudulent paperwork. He advised his clients to leave the United States and re-enter the country to obtain a passport stamp that would put them on a path to legal residency. Unfortunately, the scheme often backfired, resulting in the deportation of many immigrants who trusted Amankwaa's guidance. The U.S. Department of Justice, alongside the New York Attorney General's office, initiated investigations into Amankwaa's activities, uncovering a pattern of exploitation spanning several years. His firm charged clients thousands of dollars per case, knowing full well that many would not obtain the legal status they sought. As part of the sentencing, U.S. District Judge Catherine Polk-Fala emphasized the gravity of Amankwaa's actions, noting that his fraudulent activities not only caused financial harm, but also severely impacted the lives and futures of those he swindled. In addition to the financial restitution, Amankwaa faces the prospect of a lengthy prison sentence, underscoring the serious consequences of defrauding vulnerable populations, particularly those navigating the complex and often uncertain process of U.S. immigration. This case serves as a stark reminder of the risks immigrants face when seeking legal assistance, especially when they turn to dishonest individuals who prey on their vulnerabilities. The Justice Department and New York Attorney General's office have pledged to continue efforts to protect immigrants and hold accountable those who take advantage of them. Immigrants from the Caribbean were among those defrauded.
Arle Lou Izon is a criminal, now deceased and indicted by the federal government for defrauding thousands of Grenadians. If you or a family member is a victim of Arle Lou Izon and are in deportation proceedings or any immigration matters pending in immigration court, please call the law firm of Figeroux Associates at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845.